Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to write 55,055,055 in digits form. So let's break this number. So we can write this number as 55 million. So 55 million plus 55,000 plus 55. So 1 million is equals 10 lakh. So 55 millions will be equals 55 multiplied by 10 lakh. So 55 multiplied by 10 lakh. So we have 1 followed by 6 zeros. Let's check it once. So 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, that's correct. Then we have 55 multiplied by 1000. So we will have 55 multiplied by 1 followed by 3 zeros. And finally we have 55. So we will have 55,000,000,000, that is 6 zeros, plus 55 followed by 3 zeros plus 55. So upon adding we will get 550,550,55. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.